Assalamualaikum students. How are you? Are you fine? Today we will discuss the introduction to trigonometry. First of all, we will discuss what is an angle. Angle is defined as the union of two non-collinear rays with some common endpoint. The rays are called vertex of the rays are called arms of the angle, and endpoint is called vertex of the angle. Angle is defined as the union of two non-linear rays with some common endpoint. The rays are called arms of the angle, and endpoint is called vertex of the angle. It is the definition of angle. Angle is defined as the union of two non-collinear rays with some common endpoint. The rays are called arms of the angle, and vertex is and endpoint is called vertex of the angle. How we can draw an angle? Here is a ray OA, and we rotate this ray along anti-clockwise direction B. Okay. There's one ray and second ray. The union of two non-collinear rays. It is a union with some common endpoint. The endpoint is called vertex of the angle. It is a angle. Theta is a angle, and it is along the anti-clockwise direction. It is called an angle. This is a definition, and according to this definition, we draw the angle. One ray, second ray, and this is the angle theta. And it is a union of two non-collinear rays with some common endpoint O. Okay? What do you mean by initial side and terminal side of the angle? What do you mean by initial side and side. What do you mean by initial side and the terminal side of the angle? We make an angle by rotating one ray by rotating one ray from one position to another when we make the angle, we make the angle in this way. The original position of the ray, the position of ray is called initial side of the angle and final position of the ray is called terminal side of angle. What do you mean by initial side and terminal side of the angle? We make an angle by rotating a ray from one position to another position. When we make an angle in this way, the original position of the ray is called initial side of the angle and the final position of the angle ray is called terminal side of the angle. How we draw the initial side and terminal side of the angle? It is a ray OA. When we rotate this ray along anti-clockwise direction, such as anti-clockwise direction, the first position of the ray this and second position of the ray this. The first position of the ray is called initial side of the angle and it is called terminal side of the angle. And it is an angle, say theta. Initial side of the angle, terminal side of the angle, anti-clockwise rotation. If the rotation anti-clockwise, then angle will be positive. And if the rotation along the clockwise direction, then angle will be negative, such as OA, and it is at the initial side. It is the final terminal side. OB, and the rotation along anti-clockwise direction, such as clockwise direction. CL goes CK clockwise rotation. I hope that you have understood my this lecture. What is the initial side and what is the terminal side of the angle? It is the initial side of the angle, it is the angle, and it is the terminal side of the angle. The rotation is along anti-clockwise direction. It is the initial side of the angle and it is the terminal side of the angle. And the rotation is along the clockwise direction. According to this definition, in this way we can display initial side and terminal side.